G'day Burnout fans, it's Flinty here. We're down at TuneCorp. We've just seen Reese's Adhd VK back on the hub dyno. Safe to say today was a huge success. You might have seen the video last week where it torched the cylinder, or torched a gasket, killed the cylinder head. Have a look at the end of the video, you'll see the damage that was done. Straight after that video, the car was back in the Pro West shop next door. They had that thing stripped down to nothing by the end of the day. They were able to salvage everything in the bottom end, which was great. It was stripped, rebuilt, everything put back together. Unfortunately, the cylinder heads were not salvageable. They had to track down a new set of heads for it. They had the thing out and running in 2.5 days. So this thing was actually running again on Saturday. Last couple of days I've just been doing a couple of little fine tuning bits and pieces, but back on the dyno today. We've just seen 6 or 7 dyno runs. When I got here it was doing 730, 740 at the hubs. Just finished, now up to 818 at the hubs. Boost is a little bit less than what they wanted. I was only down to about 17 pound at the moment, but very safe with timing, very safe with fuel. Yeah, amazing effort to get this car back up and running after the mishap last week. I'll put the link in the video down below for the video from last week. You can see what happened, but yeah, no, this video, great to see the effort that everyone's put in to get this car back up and running. She's off the dyno now, onto the trailer, and she's off to Summernats. So looking forward to filming this thing in a couple of weeks' time. I'll be standing trackside. Got a couple of 100 cars to film there, so yeah, plenty of footage to come after New Year's. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope you have a good Christmas, and yeah, keep an eye out for Summernats footage coming soon.